Welcome back to Mahalingam Market Rhythm. Today I just want to show you the one breakout strategy in the price action. Okay. See, this is the Nifty 1 hour time frame. We are having consolidation range of 59,111 to 15,430 as of 14th July. Okay. Then we had a breakout of this point. Look at this point. Okay. As you can see, it is not able to predict the false breakout or your true breakout. Breakout is the breakout. Okay, people may telling that you can use RSI, you can use MACD to identify the false breakout or true breakout. Not even possible. If it is possible, lot of people can make easy money. But just you can think that after giving this breakout, it's a probability that you can go long in this candle. After the breakout, you can go long in this candle. Okay. The only thing you can maintain with you is the stop loss. Once you find this consecutive two candles gives you the good amount of breakout, you can enter the long trade here. Okay, this was our range 5912. 5912 just give you the breakout, then you can enter the long trade here with the stop loss of below this low, which is 15854. On the same day your stop loss was not hit, okay, but consecutive day your stop loss may triggered, but it's a part of game. So what can you do on the next breakout? The same you can do in the next breakout. You can extend your line. Okay, now this was your next breakout. The same philosophy you can follow. You can simply go long in that candle because this candle gives you the good amount of breakout of the previous high. So this is your previous high, which is almost okay 659.58. So the second candle gives you 1 hour second candle gives you the confirmation on the upside. What you can do here, you can go long in this trade, then you put the stop loss of two candles below, which is 15,867. Okay, so this is what I wanted to tell you, that you cannot able to predict the false breakout and true breakout. Only thing you can identify the price movements where it is moving forward. You can look at the magnitude of the price action after hitting the low of 15,516. How it is getting recovered rather than this recovery. You can see this recovery. See, it's a slow phase recovery, like U-shaped recovery, but whereas this is a V-shaped recovery. Okay, so that amount of magnitude was there during that breakout time. On the other hand of the breakout, okay, I can just draw my trend line because I'm always in favor of a trend line. See, look at the breakout here. Look at the breakout here and look at the retest. This is your breakout point and look at the retest point. Okay, so when this breakout happens, this trend line is much respected, and on the verge of back to the trend line, it was bought out. So always you have to remember that breakout has coming in a way ahead. So this is one breakout and this is my second breakout. So 1 hour trend line successfully breakout on the previous day, and the 2 months trading range getting breakout on the following day. So this is called follow through. The trend is giving you day by day follow through. This is the first recovery, and this was your second recovery, this was your third recovery. Consecutive 3 days market was in a recovery mode. Then market gives you a great pump up on the high side. Breakout number 1 and breakout number 2. So these two trends are confirmed that market is go ahead. So if you are the trader, you can go long here and you can put your stop loss somewhere 2 candle below, 1 hour candle below, which is 15,866. If you took that trade, then you will see this magical rally for 300 points. Nifty go ahead week prediction. The last week Nifty performed very well. Okay, as I presented in my last video, the 15,963 is a breakout point. Thereafter, you can see a huge rally where the market is now consolidate in this zone. Okay, now everyone thinks that okay, it is getting consolidated, maybe the upswing getting terminated. I don't think so, because it is giving a good rally, and here you can see the consolidation. Of course, after a great trading range, there will be some profit booking coming onto the market, which is not avoidable. Now you can see the next week chart analysis. So these are the levels I marked in my chart. So as per the prediction, 16240 is my first target. Then what will be the next target? With me, the target is 16700. Okay, maybe it will be overconfident, but you can see in the coming days whether this 16700 will getting triggered or not. Okay, now after the rally of 250 points, you can see the consolidation, which the consolidation not able to move above this level. So I can mark this is my supply zone. Okay, and this also not able to break on the last trading session. So these are the two areas will be acting as a small resistance for the Nifty. And you can see my bullish trend line, which is easily connected 1, 2 and 3 touch points, okay, where Nifty getting support and getting reversed. However, Nifty getting closed below this trend line, which is a short-term trend reversal, I would see, because you can see this 20 moving average. 20 moving average, the previous day, entire day trading below 20 moving average, it is not able to cross. Okay, then before getting to the movement of next week, I just want to show you what are the levels I marked in my chart. So 16240 is the middle point, which is acting for the target of 16700. Okay, any close above 16240, it is giving you the confidence that the Nifty is moving forward. Any close below the 16240, which will gives you the mark that the trend downside continuation. So you can see here the gap up opening, which is 16146 to 16175. So this is the one support area where the Nifty is coming back to this area, then it will get the support from this gap up point. Then here you can see untouched pivot area, which was formed in 4th August. So what is the trade plan for the next week? Before that, this is your breakout point. So these are the three levels you have to watch it out for the coming week. One is this gap up, another one is this virgin or untouched CPR point, and the breakout point. These are the three support points. On the upside, if any close above 16336, you can blindly go for long trade. Okay, then now how the Nifty may move in the next week. See, already it is traded below 20 moving average and the trend line. So on the Monday, if Nifty break and trade above this point, okay, then there will be some bit of bullishness in the market. Okay. On the other hand, on Monday, if the Nifty getting terminated at here and it is coming towards this bullish trend line, then you have to be very cautious. Okay, if the trend line respected for some times, then the Nifty will bounce back to the upside. Okay, if the trend line violated, okay, then there will be an issue for the downside continuation. When the trend line breaks, okay, then Nifty straight away coming to this level. So I hope Nifty has to travel this gap up point for some times, Okay, then it will bounce back. If not, if this gap up getting terminated, again you will see the downtrend continuation, which will drag the Nifty to this untested CPR. Okay, so at any stage, Nifty getting supported or traded above this trend line, okay, you will see the bullishness. Again, it will be punished in the level of 361 because of double top. So on the downside, after hitting the resistance point, Nifty has to hold this 280 as well as 240. Okay, failure of holding these two on the retest duration will lead the further down to downside. If it is successfully holding above this 280 or 280 point, then you will see the good amount of bounce. So the level you have to watch it out for the coming week. Either this blue line, this is called a bullish trend line. Okay, it has to hold, it has to respect by the indices for the bullish continuation. On the verge of breakdown of this trend line, it will hit the swing low trend line. See, this trend line I have connected to, sorry, this trend line I have connected to, yeah, this is my base point. So 15515. So look at the 15515 is firmly respected here, which is 15746. Then all the way coming to here. So once breakdown of this blue line, it will hit this red color line, which is connected to 15515. On the breakdown of this 15515 connecting trend line will gives you the confirmation that the downside. However, if it is firmly holding above this trend line and above this gap up and untouched CPR for the coming week, you can go for the long trade. So what is the trade? Breakdown of 16240 and breakdown of this trend line and trading below 20 moving average, you can go short with the stop loss with the target of 16146 and the second target of 16043 with the stop loss of 16330. Okay, if Nifty is trading above this bullish trend line, also above this long term bullish trend line, then you can go for a long trade with the stop loss of below 16138 and your target will be 16350, and successful holding above 15360, you can see the wonderful rally which will take the Nifty towards to 16700. These are my notes for Nifty for coming week. 15349 is the top ceiling and the Fibonacci extension on 2.618 is 16700. 20-day moving average, 50-day moving average and 100-day moving average. Then this could be the 200-day moving average. So all you have to keep on eye. These are the levels. Then you have to watch 200 moving average in your 1 hour time frame. This is acting as your swing low, 514 and 450, 15, 514 and 450, and these are the untested pivot points. So if Nifty violated these levels, then you can go shifting your support to the next untested point, shifting towards the next untested point. When the Nifty breaks 16061, your next target will be 868 on the downside. If 868 violated, then your next target will be 786. Then move on. So this is my pivot level. I drawn the pivot from 15963 to 16352. You have to watch 16115 and 16202 are the important levels. Look at my weekly Camarilla. Weekly Camarilla suggests me that Nifty will go 16662, which is double confirmation that the Fibonacci extension also saying 16700. So I would expect 16700 to 16662 will be the firm target for coming week. And these are the weekly levels and monthly levels. You can watch carefully. I would suggest if Nifty can be able to hold 16133, you can be a long side. Any close towards 15886 will given you the a reversal signal. I hope you are enjoying this video. I will be coming up with another weekly video on next week. Thank you for watching. Do not forget, share, like, subscribe and hit the bell button. We'll see you later. Thanks a lot.